Granny, today you're going to be reading some comments from your little brown eyes.
I ain't gonna be reading the fucking thing. I think Granny has a crush on Jake. I heard she masturbates to pictures of him in the middle of the night. Almost everyone knows that. Tell that little motherfucker he's got that shit all fucking wrong. What's the difference between AngryGrandma and a public toilet? I don't know. They both all run down and smell of shit and piss. What the fuck's he doing going in a public bathroom? See what the fuck it smells like? What's it supposed to smell like? Fucking roses? Take that motherfucker. Wasted my damn time reading that bullshit when I could be watching Bonanza that I want to see. Oh no, you gotta come in here and cock up 3 days.
Hey, somebody left a good one. Read the top one.
Yeah, motherfucker, I bet it is. Granny, you are hilarious, but damn, lady, get abroad. Your titties looking like sweat socks filled with sand, sitting on your chest. At least tuck them into your trousers.
Fuck you, motherfucker!
You're just jealous cause your girlfriend ain't got tits like mine. Stupid eyes. Grandma's so fat, Superman said, I can't lift that. Stupid motherfucking right. Jake, your breath does smell like shit, though. When Grandma gets mad, she starts to look like a fucking Oompa Loompa. Granny's titties are more saggy than a filled water balloon. Granny be looking like a damn orangutan with those saggy titties. Why in the fuck are you guys paying so much attention to my fucking titties? You're jealous cause nobody sees them but Buford?
Ew,
Motherfucker!
Gran! Why do you always talk about him?
Buford's my man, so shut the fuck up.
Alright, I'm looking for another one.
Alright, and it better be a fucking good one.
Yeah, here, just read the first one.
First one. Granny looked like a shriveled up rat. You look like the damn shit that I took last night, you fucking asshole. You know what? I'm gonna come through that screen and I'm gonna put my foot in every one of your fucking asses, motherfuckers.
You need to quit smoking.
No, you know when I get mad, I start coughing. And start sweating because I want to knock the piss out of somebody. And they just have got me to the point that I would beat their fucking asses. And another thing. And another motherfucking thing. If I get one more dirty comment, you little motherfuckers, you're to pay for it.
A fan wants to know, have you ever done anal? They wanted me to ask you that.
If I ever done anal...
Yeah.
What the fuck's he talking about?
Have you ever done anal? Look at the top one.
Hey Jake, ask Granny if she has ever done anal.
Have you ever done anal?
I don't even know what the fuck it is, motherfucker! Grandma is the weakest bitch ever. That even Logan Paul can beat her ass. That motherfucker. I would kick Logan Paul, J. Paul, and Kitsa, and your ass all at the same fucking time, motherfucker. I would go 1, 2, 3, 8, nah, out. 1, 2, 3, 8, nah, out. 1, 2, 3, fuck you, out.
Damn.
I said I'd knock you Fuck it out, you motherfucker. And including them assholes too. There's my fucking phone. Get that shit off of it. I'm going to take a shit. And you could turn that damn thing off and get the fuck out of my room.
Are you saying you want to fight KSI and Logan Paul and Jake Paul in a boxing match?
I'd whoop their asses, including that little motherfucker that sent the damn thing.
Come on, Gran, let's read some more.
No, I told you I'm going to go take a shit, but I want you to get out of my fucking room first. I'm going to the fucking bathroom. I'm baking brownies in my asshole right now, and I can tell you another motherfucking thing. Fuck Jake Paul, fuck Logan Paul, fuck K-Ty, fuck the little brown eyes. I will beat the hell out of every fucking motherfucking one of them. And you sit there and you lie, and I beat the hell out of you. When I come back, you better be out of my fucking room. What?
Look what you did.
What the fuck did I do? I better not. Oh, fuck no. You broke my fucking. Get out!
You did it.
You broke my fucking brush, you motherfucker. Get the hell out. Get out!
I told you, Granny, it's broke. It's broke! You threw it against the wall too hard!
You buy me a new fucking brush. You buy me a new fucking brush, and that's all there is to it.
Maybe it's not broke.
Oh, it's not broke. It ain't fucking going back in there like it used to, motherfucker. So you get something, and you better get you some fucking money and buy me a fucking new one.
You broke it, it's not my fault.
You better buy me a new one.
I ain't buying you shit!